Alright, so if you want to make your designs look more professional, like actually placed on real products, mockups are the way to go. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create clean, realistic mockups using Canva step by step. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one that you want to turn into a mockup. If your design isn't in Canva yet, go to the Uploads tab and upload your image or artwork, then drag it onto the canvas. Now, click on your design image, and in the top toolbar, hit Edit Image. This opens a bunch of options, including mockups. Scroll down in the side panel until you see mockups. Click on it. And yeah, you'll get tons of options like phones, laptops, t-shirts, frames, and more. Now just pick a mockup that fits your design. For example, if it's a logo, maybe use a signboard or business card. If it's digital, go for a phone or laptop screen. Once you click a mockup, Canva automatically places your design into it. You can adjust positioning, zoom, or crop to make it fit perfectly. Next, decide the background if needed. You can change colors, add textures, or even use a full scene to make the mockup look more realistic. If you want, you can add shadows, text, or small elements to enhance the look, but keep it subtle so the focus stays on your design. Once everything looks good, click Share and then Download. PNG works great for most cases, but you can also use JPG depending on your needs. And yeah, that's how you create mockups in Canva. Super simple, but it makes a huge difference in how your designs look. Try different mockups and see what fits your style best.